The robot was injected with human DNA and blood. A few seconds later, the blood began to circulate through its body, quickly reaching its brain and eventually spreading throughout its system. The cold steel began to turn red, marking the moment it started to develop emotions. Soon after, it suddenly came to life, standing up steadily. To make it more human-like, the scientists implanted a real brain inside it. They placed the brain into the skull and sealed it. Next, it was placed in a tank of amniotic fluid, floating inside like a human fetus. Artificial blood vessels began to grow within it, and once the brain and nerves fully merged, it would have the ability to think. Then the protective system on its head began to detach, and its bones and blood vessels became almost identical to a human's. The scientists soaked it in blood once more, and its skin and blood turned human-like. The robot's body slowly floated upward, emerging from the white liquid, gaining human-like skin. Finally, its entire body was wrapped in a placenta. One of the scientists picked up a scalpel, carefully cutting through the thin membrane on its head, peeling away the outer layer, revealing a perfect human face with eyes that looked full of life. However, no one expected that danger was silently approaching. The scientists conducted a loyalty test, and the robot suddenly grabbed